how to add music to post with multiple photos on Instagram. So what we'll do is we'll open our Instagram and we will simply click on the post, and after clicking on the post we can select multiple pictures here. After selecting multiple pictures, we can simply click on next, and as we can see that after clicking all of the next, as we can see that there is no music option right here. So what we will do is we will simply go back and we will deselect all of the picture and just select one of the picture from all the given one. So here I am just deselecting all of them, and after just selecting one picture I'll click on the next and next, and here as I can see there is a music add music option. So it can only happen while you add one pictures. So what we'll do is I am opening here my new account. So I'll click multiple pictures here. After selecting multiple pictures I'll just simply click on next, and here as you can see I am having add music option even after adding multiple pictures. So what we need to do is we need to update our Instagram app so that we can get this add music option easily. So yeah, that is how we can add music with multiple pictures on Instagram.